Hi there, George here. Today we will plant eucalyptus from seed and I hope will germinate. I will see. You know, the seeds give me one friend from Australia. Her name is Elena, as you know already. So that's it. Hope the seeds are fresh and they will germinate, but first I will plant them in water for 2 days. So I will see. They are here, the seeds, and look at them. Amazing. Some seeds I will plant in water, like an experiment, and I hope they will germinate. We will see. I will post pictures on my Instagram. So let's do that. So these seeds I will plant in water for 2 days. After that I will plant them in the ground, and I will plant like this peel. It's very hard. I don't want to damage something, and just plant it. We can see the seed inside, and that's it. Amazing. Hope will germinate. I will come back in 2 days. Has been almost 2 days, and now I will plant these seeds in the soil, and look at the water. It just turned yellow a little bit. The seeds are doing okay, so I will plant them in this potting soil. It's my own potting soil I created, and I planted another seeds in this soil and just germinated. It means that is good soil. So all we need to do is to water it and plant the seed. After that add a little bit soil above. So let's do that. Now let's plant these amazing seeds. I put them one in the middle, one there. So I hope they will germinate. So now let's add a little potting soil. Ready, I am finished planting these seeds, now waiting for germination. So we will see. I hope so much they will germinate. I will take care not to dry the soil until they will grow. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment and share this video if you want, and subscribe to my channel. Greetings from Moldova. I am George, and bye bye.